Guys, I just made stuffing. If you just type stuffing in the search bar, my recipe comes up. And then I made gravy. All this gravy is 16 ounces water, 1 tablespoon HTM seasoning, and then a quarter cup of garlic bread mix. You can use skinny if you want. And you can add more mix if you want it thicker. I like it not so thick. Okay, so I'm eating stuffing with gravy and a little bit of chicken with gravy on it. And that's what I'm going to eat today. And I did just eat a pizza too, but maybe one day my appetite will shrink. Okay, I just wanted to share that with you guys. Visit us at healthytreatsmarket.com for more recipes. And like I said, you can just literally type something in the search bar. Type pizza in the search bar and all my pizza recipes come up. And you can also order online at healthytreatsmarket.com. And you can come to the Davison Farmers Market Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 9 to 5 to taste everything. I can let you try things, okay? Thanks for watching. Happy Memorial Day. God bless you.